Hey guys, Jason from Tech AU here, and today what we've got is something that's pretty old for a lot of people. It's not exactly a new product category, but it is a brand new product. And funnily enough, when these things were first sort of hitting the market and becoming super popular, about 5 years ago, I never actually got to try one, so I'm kind of pretty excited to give it a go. Let's open him up here. Oh, that's pretty... Okay, a bit of weight in this. And here it is. So, it's a hoverboard. And as I said, I never got to ride one before, so I'm kind of like pretty excited to actually give it a try. So, when these first come out, they were kind of a bit of a joke, right? A bit of a fun, bit of a, I don't know, a bit of a kid's thing. What they've turned into is much more of a transportation device. So, like electric scooters, electric bikes have become much more of a proper product category. You can see this as a serious bit of kit. Look at those wheels. So, I'm going to learn to ride one and try not to break my arm. So this is, just to run you through it, this is HX Hover. So Phantom Hoverboard 2 is what it's called. Self-stabilizing technology, mobility, you get it. It's like a Segway, but without the whole big stick and whole deal. So, judging by the weight, this thing is serious business. So there's the charger, a bit of foam, out of the box. Oh my god, this is intense. I'm not like putting this is literally heavy. Holy crap. That is not messing around. Look at those wheels, man. Alright, so we've got a charge port at the end here. It'll be interesting to see how much battery life we get. Wow. Okay, so obviously a bit of movement between the two steps there. Oh, I'm just super keen to get this charged up and have a go, because that is, oh, I'm gonna have to put it on scales and see how much that weighs, but that's substantial. Very cool. So that is the unboxing of my next little review.